Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today, let us discuss the difference between the rich and the poor. Now, tell me, what is this difference is made up of? Is it because of education? Or is it because of the environment? Or is it because of the work? Or is it because of the mindset? Yes, my dear friends, the difference occurs due to the mindset. Then what is the mindset of the rich and what is the mindset of the poor? Usually rich people spend much of their money on assets, whereas poor people spend much of their money on the liabilities. Okay, let me make you clear. What is meant by assets? It can be land, it can be bonds, shares, gold, or new setups. All these come under assets. So rich people usually spend on that. Whereas poor people spend on liabilities. For example, iPhone or any phone for that matter, or vehicles. Why I call it a liability? Suppose if you have bought an iPhone today, you are going to sell it after 2 years or 4 years. What happens? How much you will get back? On the contrary, if you buy some land or shares or bonds today, when you sell it after a few years, the returns what you get will be more. This is the difference. That is why rich people spend on the assets more, whereas poor people spend on the liabilities. Or this is the mindset. This is the mindset of the people. Because a poor man feels that if he is having an iPhone or a nice vehicle, people will think that he is rich. So he makes a show off. Whereas rich people, they will never make the show off because they know that they are rich. So they stay rich, they remain rich. Whereas poor people try to make a show off. And that is why on unnecessary things they spend a lot. So what we should do? We should stay rich for ourselves, not to make a show off. Next, if we want to become rich, some people may say, but no, we can't invest in, you are telling we don't save any money. Then find out where your unnecessary expenditure is. I have told you even in my previous videos that every month make it a habit to write down all your expenditure, and at the end of the month you find out where you have spent unnecessary, and that unnecessary expenditure you should be able to control. Learn to control that unwanted unnecessary expenditure. So it is very, very important to track our expenses. And again, one more difference between the rich and the poor is, rich people always think that, okay, if I am not there tomorrow, my family should not come on the roads. So it is a must for each and everyone to have at least one term insurance policy. Then next comes health insurance or medical insurance, whatever you call. Nowadays you are knowing some diseases are there which always make the people poor. If that particular disease comes, means because expenditure is such a lot. That is why we should have health insurance as well. Next, we should know to earn, that is very, very important, and many of us are knowing that. But at the same time, we should know where to invest, how to invest and all. For this, we should take proper education. We should learn. Otherwise, there are so many people who earn such a lot, but in their old age, their condition will be very, very bad. It should not happen like that. That is why we should know how to invest well. And one more thing is, we should never depend on single source. Look at the business people whom you consider as the successful people of the world. They never depend on only one source. When you are having different sources, what happens? Even if one source doesn't earn you a lot, there might be other sources which will help you. That is why never depend on single source. Next is, you are knowing, we all want to stay rich. We all want to stay rich. That is why we know how to control our income, where to invest. And while doing all these things, one more important thing is, many people feel that they dream to become overnight rich. I will tell you, there is no way like that. Even if you plant a seed, you are knowing it takes time to grow big, give you flowers and fruits. In the same way, becoming rich is also not an instant process. It is not just like a Maggi or anything instant within 2 minutes. No. There might be so many schemes which will fool you in the, what I can say you, they will show you such a great dreams that you will become overnight rich. Mind you, nothing like that. Each and everything takes time. There should be gestation time. Small, you are knowing, little baby, newborn baby. Whether it grows overnight? No. It takes time, you are knowing. In the same way, even becoming rich, it won't be overnight. It takes time. So, you should have a lot of patience. Keep on working And working means what? Only hard work? No, smart work is also needed. So, if you work hard plus smart, no doubt, one day or the other, you will become rich. Have a nice day. Thank you.